Hello, and welcome to the SQL Power Suite demo. In this demo, we'll be navigating through our web portal and reviewing our risk management capabilities. SQL Power's pre-built risk management solution equips supervisors with critical risk assessment tools to empower them with better decision-making and to address risk in a systematic manner by continuously monitoring and managing regulated entities' risk levels based on any latest submissions. To begin, we can start to explain how risk is identified in our risk assessment scorecard. This is sort of a mini dashboard to display the risk score of an organization by category, using color codes to indicate their risk status. We can see that this organization has been given a net risk rating of high. All this information is derived from a combination of sources, such as data submitted by the organization, manual entry by an internal user, or passed by integrating with third-party tools or other risk assessment tools like on-site inspections, as well as qualitative assessments that are conducted online by the regulated entity and captured automatically in the AML risk rating system. In this profile, we have derived the net risk from submitted financial data and analyst review. By navigating to the Risk Profile tab, we can see each category being scored manually. However, this can be easily configured to be set automatically based on the thresholds your organization requires. Here we can see the only derived values are the financial risk rating, taken from historic submitted filings, and the AML risk rating, taken from qualitative assessments. As we navigate back to the General Information tab, we can see the Financial KPIs tab, where we can see a breakdown of the financial risks of this organization. Here we can see the absolute score from which the financial risk rating was derived, and below we can see a breakdown based on CAMEL ratings and their actual performance ratio that has been calculated from previously submitted financial filings. Each of the KPIs below are also color-coded to indicate their risk status. The link to view the CAMEL dashboard is located here to review this organization's financial health and performance in more detail. Here we can look at the details and CAMEL scorecard of the specific organization. You can see the overall score and overall risk level. We can also see each of the metrics that we are monitoring, as well as the base, the target, the actual, and the actual performance percentage, as well as how we calculate the total for their performance. Each page is broken up into 5 tabs. Here we can see capital adequacy, assets, management capability, earnings, and liquidity. In this demonstration, we'll go through each of these tabs quickly to show you some of the graphs and reports that can be generated. In the Capital Adequacy tab, we can see an analysis of this organization's regulatory capital and risk-weighted capital position over time. In the next tab, we have the Asset Quality Analysis, which covers this institution's loan quality displayed in 2 graphs. What you see here is an interactive graph. By selecting or deselecting the checkboxes, we can isolate different loan types. The next tab is Management Capability, displayed as a bar graph. Next is the Earnings tab, which helps to evaluate an institution's long-term viability. Displayed here, we can see the efficiency ratio over time, as well as an analysis of this institution's return on average assets and return on regulatory capital over time. In the final tab is Liquidity, where we can see a downward trend for this organization and additional graphs below breaking down the deposits and loans across different types. Here, we can filter based on asset group and organization, which can be easily configured to suit the exact needs of your organization. We can see here the default is all asset groups and all organizations. We can additionally drill down through various elements to see the full risks profile.
If you have any questions or would like to explore the solution further, you can contact us via email at info@sqlpower.ca or visit our website.